Here we have a vichy rug on which we had some coffee spilled. It dried out. We tried to clean out in the beginning with the Tapi Clear again. Now this stain completely dried out. This is the viscose rug. We're gonna put again the Tapi Clear on it, and I'm gonna give it now a second treatment to see if we can get this out completely. So I rubbed it a little bit more, and now again with a brush I'm gonna open the pile again. And now we're gonna let it dry. The vichy sample. So yesterday we cleaned it out for a second time. I've brushed it with the white brush again to open up the pile. We still see some remains. We have to, of course, we're on a white rug here with a darker color. This will be already a much better result. And again, I'm spraying the product, the Tapi Clear, on it, and we will try to clean the stain even more out. Now again, we're going to give it a brush so that we open up the yarn again, allowing us better to see in which extent we already took out the stain. There's still some left here, so I'm going to give it a little bit more treatment. So I've given it a little bit of the special shampoo in the end, and already it's almost completely gone. I'm going to give it a little bit more, rub it in, and then again we're going to let this dry out to see the final results. Now again, everything dried out. I'm going to brush the pile and try to open it up again, as it is a little bit dry now of the product that's in the pile. So we take a damp cloth, a little bit water, just make it a little bit wet, and then we go again over the stain in order to take out a little bit of the excess of the product we used to clean out the coffee. And then we're gonna have it again dry out completely, and as you can see now the stain is almost even out of this completely white rug. The stain almost completely disappeared. Voilà. So you can see if we put the pile in another direction, we see more of the coffee which is left, and it's actually because we really need to rub the yarns in all the sides, and then it's gonna be better. So as you can see, the structure of the yarn changed because it's wet, and the yarn is a little bit sticking to each other. So actually this will improve once you start walking. So I dried the carpet with a hairdryer and also pulled on the hairs, because some of them stay in the pile and are a little bit curled by the product we have applied. But so finally, with this hairdryer, in knowing that we're going to walk on the rug, that again also all these yarns are going to come up, the result is pretty good, even on a plain white rug. So I'm pretty sure that if we repeat now again 1 or 2 times with our shampoo on the rug, that we're going to get out the color completely, but even if I push it already down, also it's almost no more visible. So even our viscose rugs, vichy, can be cleaned with the tapis, with the Jaegner products.